Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this I'm going to create a tutorial series on the popular programming language Crystal and talk about the language, the semantics and the things that can be achieved in this language. As this is the first video of the series, I'm going to give you a brief account about what is Crystal, how to install it on Manjaro operating system. Then finally I'm going to show you how to run a traditional Hello World program through this language. Crystal is a general purpose programming language designed and developed by Ari, Juan, Brian and more than 300 contributors. This language was first appeared in June 18, 2014. The previous release was 0.34.0 which was released on April 6, 2020. This language was designed with the following goals: to have a syntax similar to Ruby, to be able to call C code by writing some bindings in Crystal, to be statically type check but without having to specify the type of variable or method arguments, compile time, execution and generation of code to avoid boilerplate code, compile to native extension. To install this compiler in Manjaro operating system, I'm going to open the console and type the following command: sudo this command downloads the executable and installs this and adds this to your path. Since it is going to take some time, I'm going to pause the video until the download and install is completed. Now the installation has been completed. To check the installation, type this will list the version of the current installed compiler. Now if you see, I have a program called hello_world.cr. It has just a single line, puts hello world. Now we are going to run this. It has just printed that in the console. In the upcoming videos I'm going to talk much more about this language. Stay tuned until then. Thank you guys.